What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm the King Koopa. Thank you for stopping by. We bought Adams Polish's $500 Mega Mystery Box. I have quite a bit of their products, and this is the first time in a couple of years that I have seen that it has gone for sale, so we had to get it. If you have seen any of my Silverado customizing videos, you would know that I have no unboxings. I feel like it's a huge waste of my time, waste of your time, and I'm not about that. I'm usually straightforward to the point. So this is the exact opposite of this video. We are specifically doing an unboxing, and I'm actually really nervous for this because one box is extremely light, so I feel like they just stuffed it full of a bunch of towels, and this box is extremely heavy and busting out the bottom. If you have seen any of Adams Polish's stuffs, periodically they will have mystery items go for sale, mystery boxes, mystery buckets. So like a mystery bucket's like 80 bucks and they send you like $140 worth of stuff, but there are no refunds and you can't pick what you get. So it's just a mystery. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Some of those buckets they'll put like $250 worth of stuff in. So it's a big gamble. You might already get something that you already have, you might get something that you never thought about getting.
Risk it for the biscuit.
Yeah, you gotta risk it for the biscuit. So this came up, it's 500 bucks, you get $800 worth of stuff, and they said periodically some of them will get a big one. So I hope maybe worth $1,000 bucks, I don't know. But we'll see what we get. Alright, so let's jump right into it. First box, you can already tell what this is. This is the Air Cannon Jr., so I'm gonna take these other boxes off the table. Right. Here is the Air Cannon Jr. So this is basically the exact opposite of a shop vac. So this thing has a lot of air that shoots out of it. This is a 5 horsepower motor. It's a 16-foot self-expanding hose. This thing's super heavy duty. It's just a regular 120 volt plug-in. Comes with a couple different tips. So when I say it's the exact opposite of a shop vac, it's basically a compact leaf blower. So this thing is going to help you dry off your car. So right after you wash it, you're going to put these nozzles on here and you can get in between the mirrors and all around the tail lights and get all that water stuck up in the hard to reach places blown out, so that way you can properly dry your car. This is the compact version. There's an Air Cannon, and then there's like the Mega Air Cannon that's huge and black. This one's like 5 horsepower, so definitely excited to try this thing out, especially on the Corvette tail lights, because those things hold water for days. And then as soon as I take off, I have water streaks running down the rear bumper. So this thing's pretty sweet, and I like that it's actually kind of a compact version because the other ones are pretty big. Here's the lighter box. Oh, there's only one thing in this box. A barrel vacuum. 20-foot cord, 3 interchangeable tips, 5-gallon capacity. It's got a HEPA filter and 1200 watts. Bunch of attachments in there. This is another reason why I said it's kind of a huge gamble, because I actually have a really huge, massive, big mobile shop vac that does like stupid amounts of power. So this actually kind of isn't really needed for me, but it's nice because it's actually really portable and super light. Bam! Now we can suck and blow at the same time. And moving on to our last box. Alright, so I like the Air Cannon Jr. The barrel vacuum was okay for me just because I already have a huge shop vac. So I hope this last box don't disappoint. Man, I just don't know how to use knives. Okay. Alright, boom, we got a tire woolly brush, curved one, that's sweet, I could definitely use that. A gray plush towel, hybrid drying towel, another gray plush towel, borderless gray light plush towel, second one, and a third one. And that's it! We got gypped! Next is an interior scrubbing mitt, which is nice because a lot of my vehicles have leather. And that is it for the towels.
to put this down.
And next for the small bottles, we got some Interior Detailer Sweet Almond Scent. Nice. We got odor neutralizers. This stuff is amazing. It's a fresh scent. It's like blue. I don't even know how to describe it. It's almost minty, but this stuff is great. Next is some bug remover, which is awesome because in Indiana, during the summertime, the bugs are crazy. Tire and rubber cleaner. That stuff works out great. I actually already bought a gallon of that too. Next is the CS3. This cleans, shines, and protects all in one. That's some nice stuff. We got, in the comments when I did order this, I told them that I already had the SK Pro Polisher, which is their top of the line polisher. So they got some polish in there, which works out great. We have 4 spray nozzles for those 4 main bottles. Oh, that didn't make sense. We have 5 spray bottles for those 5 main bottles right there. I really like their spray bottles because their spigot, the spout right here, the straw actually is longer than the bottle itself. So it actually shoves it all the way to the bottom so you get every last drop. Alright, so what I mean when I say you gotta risk it for the biscuit, we got 2 gallons of the graphene tire dressing. I think that's how you pronounce it, graphene. Graphite. That's not the same thing, but...
Graphene.
If you're looking for a deep black, like new tire appearances, then you've come to the right place. Adams Graphene Tire Dressing is a must-have for those who aren't interested in a shiny, wet-looking tire and want to maintain a satin appearance for as long as possible with 0 opportunities for sling. Nice. Still take it anyways. Boom. Boom. Glass cleaner. Can always use that. I haven't bought a gallon of it, and it works out great because I needed a gallon. I use that stuff a lot. Second mystery box inside the mystery box. And in that little box for this thing, this is a graphene ceramic coating, multi-surface coating. So I think this is actually with a 9H hardener, so I believe this is a full ceramic coating. And last but not least, we have, boom, the SK Pro Micro. Their SK series is their high-end polishers, and this is a cordless one, so it's a battery operated. Let's open her up. It's got the instruction manual, some service tools, battery chargers. It does come with 2 batteries, and it does come with a couple different head attachments, so we're going to have to look into what all those do. And boom, here we go. And here's all the products we got from the $500 Mega Mystery Box. I have it all laid out so you guys can see it all. Now this is the kind of point in time when you need to decide whether you think this was worth $500 or not. If my math was correct, it should be somewhere around $942. It's probably going to be a little off because 3 of those gray towels I couldn't find an exact price for. There was a couple different towels online. And I forgot that I did buy this separate besides the Mega Mystery Box because this stuff's awesome. It really doesn't look like a lot of stuff, but these are some pretty big ticket items. We got the barrel vac, the air cannon, we got a bunch of chemicals, we got this little bad boy right here, which is sweet. We also got a couple gallons of tire shine, which works out great because I got Betty White. She has some massive 40-inch tires. And we got a mad stack of towels. You could never have enough towels. Now I just need to figure out a way to keep them all organized. And we do have the ceramic coating. I've seen on their website that this is a great seller. So this has a 10H or greater hardness. Definitely going to have to do some research, expand my knowledge before I use that, just so I don't mess anything up. And then as a wrap, guys, let me know in the comments below what you thought. I know this is quite a different kind of a video than what I normally do. Let me know if you would like me to do any more unboxings because we are getting coilovers for the black truck, lowering kit to go even lower, a whole bunch of engine parts we are picking up tomorrow, an LQ960 motor that we're going to be swapping in, going with a bigger torque converter, building up the tranny even more. So if you want to see some unboxings, let me know. I normally don't do them just because I feel like it is kind of a waste of some people's time, but that is because most of my videos are how-to videos. I'm trying to get in there, get right to the point so you can get back in the garage. So if you did enjoy this video, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and I will catch you in next week's video. Let's give this bad boy a try. This works pretty good.